What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and get started on the new RX7 shell. The first thing we're going to do is strip all the suspension and get the undercarriage ready for undercoating. Stay tuned and let's get started with today's episode. We're going to start right here with our rear suspension and get this cross member off and just kind of start stripping our way to the front. Let's get started. Man, this thing looks awful skinny. We might have to upgrade this to a more bulky one because you know we're going to be pushing more power.
Oh yeah,
I can bend this with my finger. Let's keep going.
What are you hopping on next?
So we're probably going to go ahead and get our shock absorber down. I do believe we can get the whole cross member off in one piece. So we're gonna leave all this bolted on except for the shock absorber and just drop this in one assembly. Let's see if we can do it. Need a breaker bar. This thing hasn't been taken off since 1993. Yes, sir. Alright, our shock absorbers are off and our toothpick sway bar is out. So now we're going to move on to the rear cross member.
Look how short these bolts are.
Woo! Alright guys, so we've got the rear cross member off. We didn't have a transmission jack to get it off, so we just had to put our BBs to work. But we got it down. Now we got some miscellaneous wires and speed sensors to move. But pretty much the rear end is ready for sanding and getting it prepped for undercoating.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and lower the car and continue working on the front suspension.
So these bolts right here were just hand tightened. Mr. Jim was using this as a rolling chassis. Check out this rigging right here.
You might need a hammer for that.
Why don't you give me one? Yes, sir. Whenever you don't want to damage the head or the threads on the bolts, we can easily just back this one out. You can always just get you like a little vice grip once I get it adjusted. And then you could beat on the vice grip. Since we're not reusing these bolts anyways, they were just temporary bolts in here, you can always just back it out. It just takes a little bit longer.
There we go.
Let's keep going. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side and leave the lower control arm attached to our engine cradle, and this whole front suspension will be out. Anybody need a suspension? We got extra. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for this video. We got the chassis stripped down. In the next episode, we're going to be cleaning and prepping the undercarriage for painting. Let us know your thoughts or suggestions down in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at danny.tv to get an inside sneak peek before YouTube. And if you haven't, be sure to like and subscribe. Smash that bell notification to be the first to watch these videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.